How to block HDFC credit card. First of all, log into your HDFC net banking account using your customer ID and password. Once you are on the home page, navigate to the card section available on the top menu. In the side panel, click on Request. From the available list of services, select Credit Card Hotlisting, which is used for blocking or reporting lost or stolen cards. Here, select your card, choose the reason for blocking, either lost or stolen, and then decide whether you want a replacement card or not. If you select Yes, a new card will be sent to your registered address. If you don't want another card, simply choose No and click Submit. That's it. Your card will be permanently blocked. And that's it. Now you know how to block your HDFC credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.